Why did we buy a 2-pound bag of shrimp? Oh my God, where's my headphone?
Hey guys! So one of the biggest things that I'm always asked is, how do I get everything that I get done? I meal prep. A, much cheaper, you save a lot of money. I'm Jamaican, so it's all about saving money. Oh, ginger. B, you save time, but it also saves me like mental exhaustion from trying to figure that out every single day. A was money. B was time. C, health. Making your food at home is a lot healthier also. You don't know what they put in that food outside. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I just don't really trust other people really making my food most of the time. I mean, of course, I go out to restaurants and stuff. So a lot of these recipes that I get from my meal prep, I get them on websites that will provide you with a calorie count. If you're doing Weight Watchers, it provides you with the points for your Weight Watchers. It does all of that for you. So this week, we're gonna share that process with you. So we came up with a couple of things. For breakfast, we're going to have a couple of overnight oats. We're going to make, for lunch, this really healthy Greek yogurt chicken salad. And for dinner, we're gonna make a 1-pan shrimp broil. All three of these recipes are coming from this woman that I really like a lot called Damn Delicious. You could check her out, her IG and stuff. But she has some really great, simple, quick, easy recipes, and they are, just as they said, they are damn delicious. They really are. Like, I'm not even lying. Like, I have made not one that I have not liked. Oh, don't forget, like and subscribe. Oh, and also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Good Better Bliss. Let's prep. All right, so let's survive meal prep. So these are all the ingredients for the overnight oats. I'm not going to be showing you how to make all of them, just the pumpkin puree, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of the prep process. Let's get this bowl ready, only to realize that having a couple of plastic bowls would actually be more efficient. Thanks, hubby. Thanks for pointing that out to me. Next step, chop it up some peanuts. So thinking back, I could have used a food processor and it would have made life a lot easier, but where's the fun in that? So I'd rather hammer away at these peanuts and get some of my stress and frustration out. Look at that Game of Thrones little hammer right there. Oh, so violent. What are you doing, Jill? Next up, pecans. Chopping a couple of those up. Putting that into my handy dandy little, what was that? I think that was listening to Biggie then. Okay, so these are the two basic ingredients to the oatmeal. You got your oats and your milk. Originally, I was supposed to be using a 16-ounce jar. Completely bought the wrong one on Amazon, but you live and you learn. So I have the recipes. Only to find out that when you have the recipes, it doesn't fill up quite as much, which you'll see in the end there. So let's put in the oats. Throw in a splash of milk in each of the jars. And voila. We got oats and milk in a jar. No, we're not done yet. Get that out of here. Oh, by the way, this is a Chef Tap app that I use. I put all of my recipes inside here, and it's really easy and convenient and saves all of my cool recipes. So check that out if you get a chance. It's been really helpful for me during meal preps. All right, let's top off with a little bit of Greek yogurt. Get all of that in there. Waste not, want not, right? Top off with the pecans that we just recently chopped up. Oh, by the way, the link to all of these recipes are in the description box down below. Ooh, look at that maple syrup drizzle. So sexy. And all done. Pumpkin puree, PB&J, last but not least, apple spice. See what I mean? Didn't fill up. All right, throw those in the fridge and you're done until the morning. Let that simmer.
Please remember as you watch this, I am not a professional chef by any means. I follow recipes. I find them online. They look good. I do them. I survive. Every single week. That's basically my motivation every single week, is just to survive. Well, at least I got my wine, right? Yeah. All right, on to the next one. So we're gonna be making the Greek chicken salad with the craisins, some onions, adding some chicken, Greek yogurt, and voila, done. Hour 1 is finally done. Remember, at this point, right, you're just trying to survive. This will make your life much easier for the rest of the week. Just get through it. Cheers. We're almost there. 2 more down. What? No. 2 more down, 2 more to go. I had too much wine? Oh. And if you're wondering why in the hell my husband and I are cooking in sweatshirts, this is what's called living in an old historic home. Last month, when we kept our house at 65 degrees, was $1,000. This month, with keeping it down to 62, we got down to about 800. So yeah, we're just, we're living the good life here. Just freezing in our kitchen. Kitchen faces the north side of the house also, so there's no sunlight. Front of the house, beautiful, warm, mwah, gorgeous. Back of the house, South Pole. All right, let's start the 1-pan shrimp broil. Boiling up the potatoes and the corn, we'll season it up, put all the ingredients together, and then throw it in the oven. So I used a bowl that was too small, so I need to use a bigger pot. The pot was too small. I need a bigger pot. That's it. Why did we buy a 2-pound bag of shrimp? Oh my God, where's my husband? He left me. He's supposed to be ride or die. You know ride or die. He left me for dead. Oh my God, I bet you he's taking a nap. How does a 2 pounds seem so tiny? It's not worth it. Oh my God. I knew that was gonna happen. This is the time when mentally I think I'm about to break. Oh, I need to eat something. These kids are outside living life. But you'll be able to live life for the rest of the week.
Just 2 pans, right?
Huh?
I don't think it's all gonna fit on 1 pan. You think?
Oh my Lord. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed my meal prep survival guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe at Good Better Bliss. See you in the next one. Bye.